So this question is giving me souvenirs, okay, type A, type B, type C, and different machines that are manufacturing them. So let's write a system of equations. So for machine 1, we have 2 of A, 1 of B, 1 of C, and I have 180 minutes available. Machine 2, I have 1 of A, 3 of B, 2 of C, and I have 300 available. And then machine 3, I have 2 of A, 1 of B, 2 of C, and I have 240 available. The next thing it wants me to do is write an augmented matrix. So I'm going to have 2, 1, 1, 180. Then I'm going to have 1, 3, 2, 300. And then I have 2...